just done here today is, after our big move and just sort of throwing stuff into the garage, the detached garage, so we could get back to our jobs, we have now cleared this space. And after a great deal of research, this is going to be more than enough to put in a combined chicken coop and rabbit hutch. We will knock out some of the walls up there, put in some big windows for light, which the chickens and the rabbits like. And over here, we will put some holes in the wall with some little ramps going up to them so that the chickens can get to the outdoor run. So as we go outside here, we are going to swing around the garage. You can see where the recent 50-mile-an-hour winds blew some of our garbage cans and things around. And right out here, we've got the outside of the garage, and we will build a bit of a chicken run. And you can see up above the gutter is where those holes will come out, so that the chickens can then walk down a little ramp, and they will be in a penned and covered yard here so that they can get some air. And of course, we want to make sure that the chicken coop is fully covered, because while some of the predators on our land are very still and harmless, there will definitely be others that are not so harmless and would like a nice chicken dinner. So this is the outside of the garage. It has a workshop in it where Chris does his work and inventions. And over here, we are looking at that back wall where the chicken coop will be. And over to the side there is where the chicken run will be. And one of the things we're planning for the garden is to perhaps put it here in this area that's already more or less enclosed by rocks and hills that make it harder for the deer to get at it. And of course we have our mermaids and our dinosaur who can watch over the garden and keep the rabbits away, presumably. But this is just one location we're considering, and considering that it is now April 25th and it was snowing this morning, I guess we're not in any rush to pick a location.